Hey YouTube, it's been a while. So the Winnipeg Film Group is putting on a 48-hour film festival. Actually, part of it is going to be filmed in the space, and I need to make a prop. I need to make a Dybbuk box. A Dybbuk box is a box that's haunted. Something was in the news a few years ago. Is it a rapper? It's not Post Malone. A Dybbuk box we decided would be the core idea of our story. So for those of you that don't know what a 48-hour film contest or a film festival is, basically what happens is on the Friday night, the filmmakers receive all these different keys, and the keys are elements that need to be in the film that you make over the weekend. They're gonna email us, we're gonna sit down and see how badly it screws up our ideas. Last year I worked with the same filmmaker, Tyrone. I'm gonna link his stuff over here. He's a very talented filmer and filmmaker. To be clear, this is just a film prop. I'm not gonna be doing any ceremonies on the box. I'm not gonna be doing any enchantments or whatever. Movie magic. Let's get going. Hey, there we go. A box. I need to add the epoxy so that can harden, so I can keep going with it. And I'm gonna put a little bit of dye in it. It's dye that's made for cactus juice, which is a 1-part epoxy, so I'm not sure if it'll work or not, but I'm guessing it will. One drop. Let's see what happens. Let's stay with the 1 drop. It's basically done. I just need to pretty up the box. That's fine. I might take the torch to it a little bit. It's done. So basically, I need to, oh, check this out. This is the part that I'm stoked about. This effect here of light being able to shine through. That's what I was looking for. So that's That was the goal of making it in this. Obviously, that's what I was going for. So the box is done, and I'm guessing that the video was probably done too. So I'm gonna clip that in right after this. Write me a comment. Was this a cool video to watch? I really enjoyed making the film prop, the Dybbuk box. And let's end this on the ghost box. And we're back. Off. Yeah, I said it. That's fire. And here's $1 million I need for you to make music for my movie. Yeah. Who knows? You don't know. It's possible. So big shout out to Chris Gomez. I think this will be the bottom. I think this might be cedar. Oh, it's a little bit harder than cedar. Looks like cedar. I guess once I cut into it, I'll know. Smells like cedar. Maybe cedar isn't as soft as I remembered.